Howdy Aggies, my name is Ethan Beauregard here with the MSC, showing you how to register your organization for MSC Open House. First, you're going to want to log in to your Maroon link at maroonlink.tamu.edu. You'll be using your NetID and password to log in. After confirming with Duo, you'll be able to start the registration process. Look up the Memorial Student Center organization, give it a click, and you'll see a form available for MSC 2022 Fall Open House. Make sure that you read all the requirements and rules while making your way down the page and before you accept the agreement. Afterwards, indicate if you are registering for in-person, virtual, or both. For my example, I will be choosing both in-person and virtual. Choose your organization classification. My example will be an MSC committee. Enter the official name of your organization as indicated on StuAct Online and the organization type. If you have indicated that you would like to register for your organization as virtual or both in-person and virtual, then enter the Instagram URL of your organization. Make sure that you include the full URL instead of just the handle. Enter your primary contact information. This may be your president, your chair, or an executive officer in charge of outreach or MSC Open House. Information regarding payment and further information will be sent to this primary contact as well as to your advisor. Your advisor's contact information will be next, including email and phone number. Read the information at the bottom of the page. It'll take up to 2 business days to receive approval of your registration. Your spot is not confirmed until your organization is paid for though, so be sure to be on the lookout for your approval email and payment information. After going to the next page, you're able to review any of the information you put in before submitting. If everything looks alright, then hit submit and wait for a green submission statement saying your form was successfully submitted. Then you're done! Please wait for your email with your unique identification code and then you'll be able to pay through the MSC box office. Thank you for your interest in MSC Open House and we hope to see you there.